जितनी एक्साइटमेंट से जितनी तेजी से प्रेजेंटिंग यू दी एसयूवी थार रॉक्स ऑन
Motors, and we are here for the Thar Rocks final unveiling. What do you have to say?
First of all, thank you so much from Randhava Motors. We are here and great and honor to us that we are launching Mahindra Thar Rocks in Mumbai, as we are a dealer for Mahindra from last 5 years, and we love to serve customers by giving a SUV like which is a lifestyle vehicle for from school, from the college, then the youngsters, then the families, they use the SUVs. So this Thar, which is launching today at Mumbai from Randhava Motors, it's totally different, out of the box, which gives the impact of the road presence and proper 4x4 drive, having a ADAS level 2 with the special features 360-degree camera and the panoramic sunroof, which give the entire automobile industry out of the box.
Vijay, we would like to know from you, carrying forward the legacy of Randhava Motors for so many years now, and we are here with Thar, innumerable cars you must have launched from Mahindra. What is special and different about Thar?
See, first of all, thank you everyone for coming. Basically, Mahindra used to come with the rugged cars like Jeep, Scorpio. So now they are coming with the premium products like XUV 700. Now they are come with 5-door Thar. So it's a premier car, the family car. So we can take it to the long drive and off-roading and to the long like hill stations. So people will enjoy the car.
जब भी कोई गाड़ी लॉन्च होती है, there's always an excitement, there is always a fervor about it. आपने कहा कि आपको सब एज ग्रुप से people are reaching out for this. So what do you think this lifestyle change is all about when it comes to cars? Is it no longer a luxury in terms of people wanting imported cars, how it was earlier?
See, now thing is that people want something different, which can be having a use of off-roading and the luxury feel also. In this Thar Rocks, it is all in one. It has ventilated seats, which premium cars gives. It has a ADAS, which premium cars gives. It has a panoramic sunroof, which already premium cars gives, and it will give a comfort of a luxury car. So every family member, from child to the senior members in the family, will be using, and I am sure this will be like one of the best SUV in the world.
There are always early bird bookings, so is it the family, the celebrities or politicians? How does it work?
Yeah, we at Mumbai have a good relations with all the customers, logistic companies, celebrities. Already we are giving them, and as you know, booking is going to be start from 3rd October from 11 a.m. and online preference is already started, and you can add your preference to the Randhava Motors and book your car Mahindra Thar Rocks at Randhava Motors, Mumbai.
जब भी कोई गाड़ी लॉन्च होती है, there's always a big fanfare and everything, and then after a couple of months there's always a review, usually which comes back. So at Randhava, do you all face any challenges also when a car is launched with that kind of a big hype, and there must be your back-end challenges as well?
See, as of now, there is no challenges, but we learn from the customers, and we love to serve customers, and we give best customer service in terms of sales and in terms of service after sales, and we give a solution to the customer under one roof.
गुरजी जी, आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर रहे थे अभी, just saw inside गाड़ी के बारे में.
जी.
Would you like to share that with us?
सी बेसिकली आई एम फ्रॉम मुंबई, तो मैं मुंबई से हूँ. जैसे अभी हैवी रेन हो रही है, पानी लॉगिन हो जाता है, तो जिसके पास थार होगी तो वो एडवेंचर भी कर सकता है. इतने रफ रोड्स हो, जितना भी पानी भरा हो, वो कार लेके जा सकता है, एंजॉय कर सकता है. तो इट्स अ कंप्लीट फैमिली कार. आप उसको एज अ फैमिली भी यूज़ करते हो और ऑफ रोडिंग भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. यू कैन एंजॉय, एवरी पीपल विल एंजॉय द कार.
So as brothers, have you experienced anything when you all have tried, off-roading? Tell us something, unique in terms of Mahindra cars, because सब गाड़ी एक 4x4 है, and something on those lines as a family. How do you all initiate that experience to pass on?
या सी हम लोग एवरी ईयर वी गो फॉर अ रोड ट्रिप. तो हम लोग पैन इंडिया गाड़ी लेके, पहले हमारे पास 3-door थार थी, तो अभी हम 5-door थार जैसे आएगी हम भी लेंगे, तो हम उससे फिर रोड ट्रिप पे जाएंगे. तो पैन इंडिया, साउथ, नॉर्थ, ईस्ट वेस्ट हम लोग सब जगह घूमते हैं, तो ऐसे ही वी एंजॉय
Even
our
who
life.
takes the wheel, both of you big brothers, when you who insists on driving and taking the wheel first?
So I love the driving.
And Nikhil, what about you?
Even I, and we feel like when we sit in the car, we feel the nature and we feel the presence of the car, and we love the features what car is giving. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
थार की बात करें तो आजकल लोगों को थार काफी पसंद करेंगे नहीं। और सेकंड
तो हमारे गिप्पी बाजी है और थार रॉक्स जैसी मेरी पर्सनालिटी गाड़ी भी वैसी है तो इसीलिए आया हूँ मैं देखने के लिए।
What are three things you look into, जब आप रंधावा मोटर्स की बात करते हैं, ब्रांड की बात करते हैं, तो क्या चीज़ों का ध्यान रखते हैं कि why you want to be associated with that brand?
अच्छा, रंधावा मोटर्स से मेरा 1.5 साल पहले मेरा कनेक्शन हुआ था। मेरे किसी फ्रेंड ने बताया था कि मुझे गाड़ी चाहिए थी स्कॉर्पियो, न्यू स्कॉर्पियो। तो किसी ने बताया मुझे गाड़ी लेने के लिए, तो काफ़ी वेट था उसका। तो गिप्पी बाजी से जब मेरी बात हुई और गाड़ी जब हमें मिली तो स्कॉर्पियो मतलब सुपर, महिंद्रा की एकदम सुपर गाड़ी है, तो सुपर था कनेक्शन। और बहुत अच्छी सर्विस थी रंधावा मोटर्स की, हर चीज़ में, सर्विस में, किसी भी चीज़ में कह लो आप, सुपर सर्विस थी।
अब रॉक्स लेके आ रहे हैं, क्या कहना चाहिए? हाउ एक्साइटेड यू आर?
रॉक्स मतलब काफ़ी मुझे इच्छा है लेने की रॉक्स। अगर पसंद आई तो 100% लेंगे। और वो फर्स्ट टाइम देखूंगा रॉक्स, देखूंगा मैच, पहली बार देखूंगा।
Anything else you want to say about Randhawa Motors and your love for the cars?
रंधावा मोटर्स के लिए यही कहूँगा कि मैं जितनी भी अभी स्कॉर्पियो साल भर हो गया मुझे सर्विसिंग करा रहा हूँ वहाँ से, और मतलब गाड़ी सुपर गाड़ी है। और रंधावा मोटर्स सर्विस इतनी अच्छी सर्विस है, और गिप्पी बाजी स्पेशली उनके साथ जो मेरा कनेक्शन है साल भर से, मतलब कभी ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ कि मतलब कस्टमर से कोई मतलब कस्टमर या किसी का फील है, एज ए फैमिली फील आता है। तो सुपर सर्विस है।
थार एक अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड
जी,
है।
जी।
हम रॉक्स लेके आते हैं, 5 सीटर और 7 सीटर की हम बात करते हैं, और रंधावा मोटर्स लेके आ रहा है, उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? यहाँ हियर इन सिटी लाइक मुंबई इट इज गेटिंग अनवेल्ड।
थार का मुझे लगता है कि पहले जब थार थी तो वो फैमिली कार नहीं थी एक जब शुरुआत में, लेकिन अभी थार रॉक्स एक प्रॉपर फैमिली कार हो गई है। तो लोगों को काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट है रॉक्स का, जब रोड पे उतरेगी तो वो काफ़ी स्पेशल फील होगा थार का। और हम जैसे लोगों के लिए तो थार बहुत सुपर है।
लाइफस्टाइल बहुत बदल गया है। There were times when they used to belong these vintage cars and everything. Rocks, Thar, which Randhawa Motors is grandly unveiling it today. What do you have to say?
So I would like to congratulate Randhawa Motors for getting the dealership of Mahindra's Thar car, which is a very talked about car. It's like they say, धमाकेदार कार बोलते हैं उसको. They love the car, people love it, and also I'm a big fan of Mr. Anand Mahindra. So I also have a Mahindra car, so I love it. So I'm going to congratulate the Randhawa brothers for a successful journey with Thar and the dealership with Mr. Anand Mahindra.
So when it comes to driving yourself, do you prefer Thar?
Of course, it's a beautiful car, and it's a fabulous looking car, and I believe the ones who've got it say it's for long drives or dusty terrains and tough roads is fabulous, and the way it's been designed, it's a unique achievement, and I want to congratulate Mr. Anand Mahindra and his team for the Thar car. I want to congratulate the Randhawa brothers for the dealership, and I want to wish them a successful journey. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, wait. Sir, that's it. Madhu sir. Sir, wait.
Just dad unveiling of Thar Rocks. I'm sure you must be a fan of 4x4. What do you have to say to that?
So I personally love SUVs. I think that especially in a country like ours, it just helps with the lovely roads that we have. I think it always helps to have an SUV like the Thar especially. And I think it's great what what Mahindra Motors has done for our country is amazing. First of all, they've given us cars which compete with all international brands. I think that's amazing. And of course, having Gurpreet ji and his family take it forward, I think that's a great move on their part as well. And again, I think this car is a game changer in terms of the price also, and also in terms of the features it offers. So yeah.
What is your dream
So okay, I don't go off-roading because I want to get back home. But point is, I drive a SUV, and again, the reason why I drive it is because again, it's more comfortable. And I would say dream car again, like for me, functionality matters more than just performance. So I think again, something like obviously we're here for I know you know the car, so I don't want to mention another car. But I would say something like the Thar would be great. Yeah.
What is the message that you'd like to give to Randhawa Motors?
I think congratulations, like it's a great day. I think it's going to be very good for you all, especially launching this car. I think it'll be great for everyone. Like.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
वेट यहाँ पर सामने देखिए
Family to Randhawa Motors, and you're here today to boost their morale. It's so nice to have you. What would you like to say? Because this new car is like a car and also like a lifestyle change for people. Because they're moving to 4x4 now, even in towns.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Randhawa Motors and even Mahindra and Mahindra, Mr. Anand Mahindra, the super brand which he has now got, Thar Rocks. I would like to say Thar Rocks will rock. This is a brand which will rock not only in India but globally also. तो ये बहुत अच्छा एक प्रयास रंधावा मोटर हमेशा करता आया है and they have grown big over a period of years. I congratulate Randhawa Motors as well as Mahindra and Mahindra for taking care of all the Indians, and also this brand is going abroad. तो मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं इन सभी को. थैंक यू. बिल्कुल मैं जाऊंगा. मेरे पास थार है बट नॉट द रॉक्स. आई हैव द अदर थार. नाउ आई विल अपग्रेड इट टू थार रॉक्स. थैंक यू.
क्या थार रॉक्स? रंधावा मोटर एंड थार रॉक्स. बहुत अच्छी गाड़ी है. मैंने नहीं चलाई लेकिन मेरे बेटे ने चलाई है. वेरी गुड कार. और जल्दी देखोगे इसको गाड़ी में.
Yes.
It's an amazing car. The best part is the suspension has become so much smoother and the feel of it is really nice. That's why I'm buying it.
So you're taking dad for a drive?
Of course.
Yeah.
It's a family car again.
एक साथ में आ जाएगी.
शेरा पाजी ने ली थी और इतने अच्छे फीचर्स हैं जो गाड़ी में पाजी ने यूज़ किए. और वो मेरी एक फोटो थी वो इतनी वायरल हुई. एक्चुअली इज अ बिग स्टार.
नो स्टार.
Thank you so much. You're here for Randhawa Motors, Thar Rocks brand unveiling.
I am super duper happy and I am here to congratulate Randhawa Motors, and they are doing great job. I am so happy that Thar का डीलरशिप सिर्फ उनके पास है, and I am really going to buy that. So I am here to support them and give them more energy where they are doing such a great work. Now we look for a home. I love driving. So whether it is off-roading or whether it is sports or in a traffic, and one thing which I know that the Thar is something else in it. So maybe I'll take this car just to feel it, that how it goes and how it works. So I'm super excited to buy the car actually.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है थार का, आई थिंक ऑल जो अभी न्यू जेन है उनका फेवरेट कार है. So I am sure people are going to love it, and we already love it so much. So I'm very excited and just want to see the new launch, new colors, and want to know more about the Thar. So excitedly I have come here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I've always been a car enthusiast since my childhood, and Thar has been one of the icons of our country. I feel like every kid growing up has had this, this wish that they'll have a Thar. वो Thar चलाने का एक अलग मज़ा होता है. So I am very happy that I have come for the unveiling today, and it's a new version of Thar, so I am looking to get my hands on it probably by the year end. Yes. I'll take you along with me. Yes, Didi. Thank you so much.
आज आप रंधावा मोटर्स के थार रॉक्स की लॉन्च पे आए हैं, क्या
हमारी फैमिली हिस्सा होने का मौका मिल जाता है। इस बार जो है आप सबके सामने मौका मिल जाता है। बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ पूरे परिवार। बिल्कुल, और इसका मैंने सबसे पहले इसका एक बहुत अच्छी फिल्म
यहाँ पे यहाँ देखिए, एक यहाँ देखिए सर, यहाँ पे
ऑलवेज फॉरएवर।